Assalamu alaikum. I've just arrived at Sister Lela's place because she couldn't bring the food over to Labrador, so I came to pick up the food. So I'm entering into her building. Come on, follow me. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? You're being filmed. You're being filmed. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Look at
this
that.
one?
Yes. Look at that. Look at the food she made for the homeless people. Look at that. Nasi goreng. Look. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. She's so happy to do this. See? Allah give her barakah and also make her happy.
I cook the ayam, the chicken with the turmeric. So you know.
Turmeric, you know, turmeric is yellow powder.
Yeah.
Yellow powder. Okay. So sister, they are waiting for your food. I have to take because despite the weather, they're still there.
I know.
Yeah,
I know. It's big now.
Yeah, look. We're going to have a look all, see? Yeah, see? All 60 of them. Look at that. 60. All right, 60 of them, okay? And please. Lela, thank you so much. I know they will enjoy it. And she made 60 of these. And I'm going to take it over to Labrador because she couldn't come today. So I came her to her place. Inshallah, we'll see you in Labrador, okay? We're leaving now. Thank you, sister. Thank you. And may Almighty bless you and your family for all your good deeds. And don't forget about cooking show, huh? You do one cooking show. Okay, all right. Let's go. Anything? Nothing. Okay.
It's not falling down?
No. Yeah, because it's heavy. And then what I'll do, the rubber will hold it. You know, rubber here?
Oh,
yeah, the rubber here, it will block it, eh?
Okay.
No, you have to put. Okay. So thank you very much. All the best, and we'll see you next time.
Okay.
All right. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, we just arrived at the Labrador Community Center, and I'm going to move the stuff to, the people here. So we got the meals. Come here, have a look. The same from the side. Look. Come. Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right. So we have to take it in now. So we got 160. What we do now is we'll take it and distribute. All right. Okay. See so we are going now. Look, these are prepared by Lela, as I told you mentioned earlier, and it is a bit windy, and I was not thinking that we'd be operating today.
Rain or shine, we're always out here doing our bit, and everyone needs a meal. So.
That's right. Okay. All right, so we just delivered the food, and people are picking up the food, and as usual, they love Lela's food. Sister Lela's food is really delicious. So what I'm going to do next time is I'm going to ask Sister Lela to do a cooking show with me to show how she prepared those meals, those delicious meals. So hopefully she will agree to it and show us how she prepared this type of food. And it's very delicious. And okay, inshallah, we see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.